This is the Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Foamer. I love using this cleaner. I actually just bought a new bottle, so this is brand new because I ran out of my old one. But I love using this to clean my bathroom. I love to just spray it on the tub in the shower, kind of let it sit for a little bit, and then I can scrub it off. Honestly, the cleaner does most of the work. I don't have to do much scrubbing. I can just kind of go over it with either a sponge or a washcloth, and then I'll usually rinse it with some water as well. But I love this. I feel like it gets all of the grime, all of the buildup, all of the scum, whatever there is. And I love using this especially if I've gone kind of a while without washing my tub or shower, because I feel like it just really gets in all of the crevices and leaves it very, very clean. So I would highly recommend this. It's a great product. I love all of their products, but specifically this shower foamer is my favorite.